Hey there, welcome to the channel Take the Bull. Today we are going to see a business which is something like we have seen in so many places. We might have procured the product as well, but we may not see in the actual business concept in that. This is something which came across to me suddenly when I was doing some research work, and that's why I just thought of sharing this idea to the people, so that would somewhat like benefit someone who's seriously concerned about and passionate about doing the business. So this is something like a packaging business. You might have seen products surrounded the market. Most of the time it's like ready to eat fresh products or something for cooking as well. So this is a technologically advanced packaging system which in turn retains the freshness of the product for longer period and retains the product extends the product's shelf life for longer duration than compared to what we do in the conventional system of packaging. So this would actually give you a profit of approximately 60,000 rupees a month, which is somewhat like $900 per month. And you can do that for several products like fresh products for ready to consume article. And I'm going to explain specific to corns like sweet corn today. So sweet corn is something which is being preferred by people across the world, and most of the time like people use it as a snack product, or some people even consume it as a staple product as well, and that depends on the regions again. So they are predominantly consumed by almost all the countries, and like the actual usage and the way they mix it along with the other food products differs depending on the traditions and the regions, of course. So for that matter, any food item actually requires that, like based on the traditions and the way they prepare it, would actually have a lot of influence on the traditions, making preparation method, and the way they've been taught. And some people do it on a creative basis as well. So this is what you're seeing is a kernel removing hand equipment, which is available in the market. I've given a reference link in the description section also. You can use that, or it's just the reference purpose, like how to remove it from the kernel. The just the kernels are removed from the entire corn stick, and that can be added with few like spicy other flavoring substances. So it can be customized flavoring substance using some peppers and those kind of salt grounded things, and you can even have it as a fresher produce instead of having it in a flavor packed, like flavor powders instead. So it depends, like again that depends on your consumer's preference and taste preference. You can remove the kernels, use them with mix them with few flavoring substances and pack them using these packets. It's like vacuum packaging. So why do we do vacuum packaging? It's because to extend the shelf life. The normal packaging would come up to somewhat like few weeks, and the vacuum packaging would retain it for months. In fact, it can be either through storing them refrigerated or cold storage system, or that can also be retained in the regular room temperature as well. So for a calculation purpose, the investment would be somewhere like per kg you'll be investing just like 65 rupees, which is about $1. Okay, so where does it goes? Like 1 kg of corn is going to give you 500 grams of kernels alone. So for the calculation purpose, I'm taking 2 kgs of corns, from which I'm going to get 1 kg of kernel, and 2 kg of corn is going to cost me 50 rupees, the whole corn. So from that I'm going to get this 1 kg kernel, and the masala again, it's going to give me like 200 grams of masala would cost me somewhere like 5 rupees. The vacuum packaging using the equipments, that can be approximately costed somewhere like 5 rupees, and other charges like miscellaneous I'm calculating this 5 rupees as well, which in turn gives like 65 rupees expense for preparing 1 kilogram of this particular product kernels alone. So the market price for these removed kernels is 300 to 400 rupees, which is somewhere like I would say $5 or $6, somewhere like $5 or $6, and 300 to 400 rupees. So again, that's going to give me a profit of 200 rupees for 1 kg. Like I'm going to sell it for 200 rupees, and I'm going to get the profit 135 rupees for each kg, because the costing is 300 to 400, but still I'm trying to acquire the market, and I'm going to start it as a new product. Again, that's something like I have to have a smaller cost, a lower price. I'm targeting it for 200 rupees. For 200 gram, 100 gram and 500 gram can be the packaging sizes. So rather than going for a kilogram, I can do it for 200 gram, 100 gram and 500 gram, because I'm primarily concentrating on the snacking purpose. But for cooking, again, that would be purchased somewhere like 200, 500 grams. So it's like fresh corn. They're just boiled, and then they are added with few masalas, and then it's being packed. So the packing cost and the making is something like 65 rupees for me, and the selling cost is 200 rupees. Again, that's going to give 135 rupees profit for me. The shelf life is being extended for 3 to 6 months in if it is refrigerated without vacuum packaging. That can be packed using the hot water to retain the freshness of this product. And if it is like vacuum packaging and proper sterilization, you can have it for 12 months. So that will have 12 months of shelf life. And 2 kg in each shop, if I am trying to give it for 10 shop in a specific day, that will come somewhere like 20 kgs. So, and the profit would be 135 per kg, and that will come up to 2,700 rupees for me each day. And monthly, that will go almost somewhere near 60,000 rupees. Of course, I have to increase so much of marketing strategies. I have to implement so much of techniques in order to acquire the market, and I have to reach the shops and the hotels for orders, and then people who are highly consuming it. That could be like supermarkets or places where the purchase happens on a large scale. It's literally like ready to eat and ready to cook fresh corn. You can even pack them with with the entire stick for ready consumption, or you can remove the kernel and then pack them separately for ready to consume as well. That's up to you, like how you wanted to have the product placed in the market. So I believe I've covered enough of information for this business. So if at all you got any clarifications or queries, just let me know in the comment section. So as I said, the marketing options are supermarkets, online, and direct home delivery, or the snack shops where the regular usage happens on a daily basis. For this, you have to get the FSSI license. So that's like food safety license. It's anywhere in the world you have to get that for manufacturing the food products. And that's the end of the concept. So let me know how the video is in the comment section. So for all you like this, give me a thumbs up. And people who are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon next to the subscription button so that you'll get updates about the new videos. So see you soon with another interesting business concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.